map shows the mouth of the Salmon River. The Salmon River flows along Highway 18 and empties into the Pacific west of where 18 intersects with Highway 101. I took this drone video 2 miles west of 101. A year ago, there was a huge landslide on the Siletz River Road, 14 miles from the 101 bridge. Out of curiosity, I flew my drone over the landslide. Nothing's been done to reopen the road, and most likely it will never be reopened. I flew downstream a short bit to see what the slide did to the river. As you can see, the silt caused it to shallow in. The drone has a return to home feature that got me into a bit of trouble. Flying over the trees isn't the problem. It's when you descend through them that's the problem. As you will see, I panicked and took back control of the drone, and it ended up inside the branches of a large fir tree. It was also warning me at the time that we had low battery. I must have hovered inside the branch or branches for several minutes while that drone was giving me the siren warning me that the battery was low. Then it automatically did a return to home, and as you'll see, found its way out through the branches and onto the highway, at which time we landed safely.